Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all things from Amazon products to hotels to making money online programs. But today we're gonna go ahead and do a review on my new FancyRabbit turntable system. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. So let's go take a look at it. Kind of like the instructions right here. Everything comes very well packaged, as you can see. There we go. So as you can see, everything comes very nicely packaged. Take a look at that. Very nice quality. Options back here. And they also do send the power cable for it, instruction manual, and then the knob as well. So let's go and actually set it up and test it out. So once it's out of the box, you just place the platter mat on, remove the stylus cover, and you're basically ready to go. The tone arm comes pre-installed with the magnetic cartridge, which is nice because you don't have to mess with upgrading parts just to get started. This is more of a plug and play than a lot of beginner turntables. All right, as you can see, I got it all set up now. Switch this on. As you can see, we're ready to go. As you can see, it looks really, really clean. All right, so let's go and actually connect it on here. Should be this one right here. It should just connect. There we go. So now let's actually try out the speakers. Put it all the way up. As you can see, very, very clean audio, but also gets pretty loud as well. So I do like that feature of it. So it does do the vinyls, but it also has Bluetooth, which I like. So now let's actually load up a vinyl on there and test that out. Go ahead and lay it on there. Take this off of Bluetooth. All right. As you can see, fires right up. I'll go ahead and turn this right over here. Latch it back up. Shut this. And it's literally good to go. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new Bluetooth and vinyl record player, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.